is from Tesla Owners US, and I'm driving or get driven from my wife in the Model 3. And why is that the case? It is the typical case of the battery ransom. Now we have to do something else again, because Tesla wants to only have their own batteries installed there. And I have a third-party supplier, which I think is better, and that's what we should use, what I'm using instead, and that's causing a lot of conflict with the software. I think that's not fair, but let's see what the producer of that software thinks about it.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Here's one from Tesla Owners US, and there is also Sean, and we have a friend here, there's Kaya.
Kaya!
Hi Kaya. Hey, and we're gonna exchange the battery, is that correct?
Yeah.
Yes, and it's the 12-volt battery. It has some firmware updates for more functionality.
Yeah,
right?
We're working on making it so that you can update the firmware through the app remotely.
Through the app remotely.
Yeah, but right now, the only way we can do firmware update on the battery itself is in-house. So.
Yes, so we disconnected already. Battery is not much work on it. Take this piece off, which is this one, and then take this one off first, and then disconnect the battery, right? And then disconnect that portion of it, and then we can. And there's a bracket in there as well, right? Or
that was the
bracket, right? So, and then we can take the battery out.
Baby girl, you've seen this process.
Yes.
Oh,
here we go. There's the battery, and then here is the next battery, the new battery.
It's actually.
Yeah. It's there in the carton. Yeah. I call it battery ransom because Tesla is always checking that battery if we are doing it right or not right. So, and he is the inventor of that lithium-ion battery, and I think he's doing it right because Tesla only copied that. But let them allow to use a 12-volt battery of a third party and not keep us ransom on the battery what Tesla wants to install. That is the main message of this video. That's all. And we reconnect the plus and the minus on there. And then do we have to do something?
Just have to reconnect under the seat before I make the last connection there.
There's a reconnection on the seat. What was it? Is this a reset?
It's the high voltage plug.
The high voltage plug. Oh yes, you need to consider it. Otherwise, there will be voltage going through here, right?
I know.
Okay.
So what it does is it prevents the car from turning on without the 12-volt battery connected. Oh, sweetheart.
Okay. So you would not be able to turn it on. Yes. Yeah.
Right, if that's disconnected. So we want that disconnected while we're doing the swap.
Yes. Yeah, and
here we go. Now we get to make the last connection.
And then one more connection.
Negative.
Here.
Full
Take
circuit.
that off.
Boom. Now
and it's powering up again. If you hear that sound. Yeah. That's it?
That's it.
Wow, cool.
Okay.
We are done with this.
Seconds or so and it's rebooted.
So now put this piece in, right? This is all clips.
Click.
Click, click, and click. Click, and then put that piece on it again. Yeah. Okay. And then wait until it starts up again. Okay.
Yeah, actually.
So then let's watch it when it starts up. Okay, here the computer comes up again.
This is a small one, huh? Just like
Yes.
for you. A Model 3 for Kaya.
Yeah, sweetheart.
Oh, boom.
Boink.
I know, sweetie pie. Darling.
Okay, good.
sweetheart.
So we are there. And what is the task? What we have to do now?
Nothing.
Nothing?
You don't have to do anything now. Yeah, but you can.
Do I have to do a reset?
No, that's already done as part of the swap.
Yes.
But there's
Okay.
something cool in the newer software that you can look at. If you go to software and then hold this
Hold this
until
for.
it flashes. There we go. It flashed, and then there's service.
Yeah.
SCI.
B, C, E. Hit OK.
Now your
Enable.
destination is on the right.
Now we have service mode on.
Oh my.
And then we should be able to check the 12-volt battery, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. When service mode comes up,
So then
so
low voltage
voltage
battery.
battery, power.
Distribution will show us the voltage of the battery and the current. So right now it's recharging the battery,
Yeah,
and it's at 13.75 volts.
13.76 now. Yeah, it's a little bit of charging now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I think we are done with this, right? How do you exit that service mode?
Hold this button.
Hold that button now. Okay. Cool.
Oh my love.
Thank you very much, Sean.
No problem.
Okay.
Kaya.
Oh.
Kaya, you're not being patient.
Oh.
Sweet.
Yeah, that's it. So we're done with this. Yeah. And I should make a picture of the battery. Hey, first of all, thank you very much. That was all. Oh, she's quiet again. Ah, the camera. That's what the difference is.
Yeah, you like the camera.
Okay. Okay. So I would say don't cry. Subscribe to the channel instead and thumbs up for sure.
Say hi. Bye.